Hello dear friend, in this video I am going to tell you how you can trigger messages if you are running a Facebook ad, or say you are collecting leads from Google Sheets or Google Form, or maybe you are running a Google Ads. So if you are collecting data and the data is coming to Google Sheet, so then you want to trigger a message directly and instantly. That gives a lot of uh, value addition to your lead capturing or marketing. So once the customer fills the data in the Google form or Facebook ad, you give the right information over WhatsApp message to that customer. So how we can do that? So I'll show you. Let's say one customer named Anjali just enter the data. Just I'm showing you here as an example. If any customer data comes here, one message should automatically trigger. Now you can see here one message just now. You can see the time just now got triggered from this particular dashboard in WhatsTool Business. So once the data is coming to Google Sheet, it automatically triggers the message to the particular customer who have filled the lead form. So you can connect your Google Sheet from Facebook leads or Google ad or Google form. The data will come to Google Sheet. We will see how you can achieve that. For that, what you have to do is click on extension, then click on app script. This is the app script. In the app script, it will firstly open this particular code page. Here this script you can get it from our Google Sheet integration page. You can go to docs. In the docs section, you can come and click on Google Sheet. Here all the instruction is given on how you can start Google Sheet integration and achieve what we are trying to do. Here you have to come and paste that particular code. After pasting the particular code, some important changes that you have to do is, here you have to put the trigger column number. Where is the phone number? You have to trigger, you have to enter the column. This is in second column. So you have to enter the number 2 here. Total columns, how many we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have to enter 7 here, total columns. Now this name is sheet 1. Here we have sheet 1. If you have some different name, say sheet 3 or say FB leads, so you have to put exact that keyword or exact that particular text on this place. After that, we are capturing the data from phone column. So you can see PHONE phone. So that phone column we are capturing the data. Now comes the next part. What message you want to trigger when the customer sends you the data, when the data get captured? So you have to come and check on the template. You have to copy the template ID. From here you have to copy the template ID, and that template ID you have to paste here. You have to paste at this place, like this I placed. Now you are almost ready. Two important information you have to do. This message is getting triggered. What is your API number? This is your API number from which the message is getting triggered. You have to copy that particular number and come to this particular place and enter this data. After entering here, what you have to do is you have to go to developer API. In the developer API, you have to copy this developer key and paste at X API key. You got it? You have to paste here. After pasting here, you are completed all the steps to send the message. Once you click on save, and for testing you can enter a new number. For example, I'll enter this number, new number. Once I enter the number, we will see if the message has been sent or not. You can see for the new number which I entered, the message has been sent. So our integration of Google Sheet is working as per expectation. So this is how you can integrate. If you have any problem, you can message us. We also provide integration service as well. You can reach out to us to get this service and start your business growth. Thank you so much.